In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in PowerPoint. Let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation that contains the image you want to blur. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide with the image. Click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around the edges and a new tab called Picture Format appears on the ribbon at the top. If you don't see that tab, click the image again to make sure it's active. Next, go ahead and click the Picture Format tab. This is where PowerPoint collects all the essential image editing tools, and it's designed to make quick visual adjustments easy without leaving your slide. In the Picture Format tab, look for the Adjust group. Within that group, click Artistic Effects. A drop-down gallery will open showing various visual styles. This gallery gives you quick previews as you hover over each effect so you can see how your image will change before you commit. From the gallery, find the Blur effect. It's typically located in the second row. Hover over blur to preview the result right on your slide. If it looks good, click it to apply the effect. This is an excellent way to soften background images, reduce distractions, or hide sensitive details while keeping your slide design clean and focused. If you want to fine-tune the blur, you can take it a step further. Click Artistic Effects again and choose Artistic Effects Options. This will open a formatting sidebar on the right side of your screen, giving you more precise control over the effect. In the sidebar, make sure blur is selected as the effect. Then find the radius slider. This slider controls how strong the blur appears. Move it slightly to the right for a gentle, subtle blur that keeps shapes recognizable, or increase it further for a heavier blur that fully obscures details. You'll see the changes update live on your slide, so adjust until it matches the look you're going for. A smaller radius works well for softening backgrounds behind text, while a larger radius is useful for hiding complex or sensitive parts of an image. That's all there is to it. By using the Picture Format tab, the Artistic Effects gallery, and the radius slider, you can quickly apply and customize a blur effect in PowerPoint for a polished professional result. If you change your mind, remember you can always use undo to revert the effect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.